As you can see, the block came out really, really good. It looks like new. Actually, I don't think they look this good ever. So Pedro said he's gonna basically you're gonna clean all the little areas that we missed. But it's out of fear. Like I said, I was afraid to get anything in there. So
yeah. Now when I take this, then I'll just put paper or some covers to cover the holes. And I'll just wash the whatever.
oh, so you know how to do it? Okay. So
one for each bank.
So we got some goodies in. Yeah. So this was what you said was hard to get, right? They're not common.
Yep.
And so they.
And when I saw this, I thought they were broken. I was like, no, because this is like from one bank and from the other bank.
Oh, so
when
that's
it bolts
how it is.
in, it holds both.
Oh, together. Both sides.
So right there where it cracks, so it holds in the middle. So, but when I saw it, I was like, damn, this thing is broken. Took me all this time to get it, and now this thing comes defect. But then I saw it is, so it's not.
So you said we got everything in?
So I got everything except the dipstick. The dipstick I got time to do that.
Forgetting to record. Always remind them, okay?
See, now we have clearance. Told you this thing was bent. Took it out. Try it. Now it's good. Look at that. Look at this beast. Putting the whole motor together.
It's so funny because you said it yesterday, and then like he said exactly what you said he was gonna say. Did you record it?
That's what he does. All right. Monstro heart It's already clean, refreshed, resealed, beauty and clean, and assembled. Ready to go in. New gaskets, new everything on it.